What's up, y'all? Mike here. We're gonna do a quick intro for this video. A little windy out here. Hope you can hear me. Went to the junkyard a bunch of times over the last couple of years, trying to lock down this blue dashboard for my '98 Silverado 5.7. Took me a minute to find it, but we got it and secured it and actually installed it. And you know, spoiler alert, there's no install video or removal video on this one. I apologize for that, and I just didn't have the time to do it, you know. Anyhow, or the setup rather. Anyhow, here we go, you know, enjoy. Alright, y'all, sorry it's been a while, it's been a long while. The 1954 3100 fell through. We didn't get it, but we did get an 84 square body, and I'll get y'all something on that later. They work. I'm headed down to the junkyard today, San Antonio, Texas, down to Pick and Pull to get me a dashboard for my 1998 Silverado, because this thing is trashed. I got the cover so I look like, you know, like incognito or whatever, but this thing is busted up like real crazy. And that's probably like a bad video. I don't know if y'all can even see that, but so basically that's it for now, and we'll see what happens down at the yard. Jackpot. Found two of these blue dashboards side by side. There's one here, but it's kind of broke on the top. But the front bezel for the gauge cluster was in pristine condition, so secured that, and I'm gonna proceed to pull this one out, which, oh no, I'm sorry, I'm taking this out, this lower panel, and I'm going back for the other one. This is the one that's broken. It's gonna be all right. Gotta hurry up, gotta be on time for work. Okay, it wasn't a huge success. We did find a dashboard out there, but we were not able to get it, so we're still riding Frankenstein, right? Broken, but we did find some vents, and I'm gonna paint those, they'll match. And did find this lower panel right here, this lower piece right here. Mine was broken, and like they're designed to like break right here, and this one's already cracking. I'm gonna have to reinforce that fiberglass. And also was able to find this bad motor scooter, not broken, so that one there will replace the broken. It's right there. This one right here, see, that one's shaking like son of a gun. I mean, it wasn't a big win, but it was still a win. So I'm gonna keep on pushing, baby. Be back tomorrow. Hopefully nobody is come looking for a blue dashboard tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all, gotta go wash up, go to work. Headed back down to the Pick and Pull. We went out there to go get the blue dashboard to, like I showed y'all, cover this thing. And I was out there and I found two. One was cracked, but the bezels, like the trim pieces, are pretty good, and some of the vents were all right. So we grabbed that yesterday, but I didn't have a 7mm socket. You know, kicked myself in the butt for that one because I didn't have a 7mm socket. And I knew to check before I left the house. Hey, check, yeah. But did I? Nope. And I got out there, started taking it apart. So now we run the risk maybe somebody went and got it. Highly unlikely, but still, it's a junkyard, man. You never know. Somebody could have broke it just to get in at something. So we're gonna head out there right now and see what we can find. All right. So the dashboard is still here. Yay. Already started taking stuff apart, and see how long we can get it so we can get out of here. It's a nice dashboard, nice enough to wipe it down. I'll show you a comparison, like to what the other one looks like before. All right. Okay, dash is coming out, real nice. I'm a little disappointed, but what's to be expected at the junkyard, you know?
I had a little trouble getting it out, but you could see it was breaking on the top
washer,
where the screws that mounted to the top part up against the windshield.
On the top though.
And
overall,
but either way, we're gonna take it. So
we'll go ahead and get the rest of this out. So the dash is out. Didn't take long.
Yeah, this old man was mad dogging. It was funny.
Trying to head out of here. That's a lot of stuff to carry back. All right, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Damn, I'm tired. It wasn't that much. It was just like waiting mostly to pay. Man,
I waited like 3 years trying to find that thing, man. Got you. I was kind of excited.
Get it installed and prepped. I think I scuffed it up right here a little bit. Look at that. It's coming right out. Have to wipe it down real good and it's gonna be all right. Let's show you by comparison. Right? People looking at me weird because I'm doing videos and stuff, whatever, man. Bam. Look at that. That's by comparison. You know what I'm saying? So today's a win. So catch you later. Here's a finished product, so to say. Compared to what it was, it's way better.